Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage subtitles in Black Ops 6. To do this, first we'll need to open the settings, navigate to the interface, then there's a readability support that you can activate or deactivate. It increases the size of most of the font, then you can actually change subtitles to default, all off, all on, or a custom. You can go for the custom and then enable them or disable them for multiplayer. There's subtitle size that you can change right here. Subtitle background opacity that you can adjust. Many text size, text chat text size, and color customization for specific things, but I've shown you that in my previous video. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.